Alright, y'all, welcome back. Today we're working with Atina hair. This is how it came in this box. Yeah, so I ended up getting a 24-inch black straight wig. It's 13 by 6 HD lace, and it's 130 density. It is true to length, and it is true to the density. It came with an elastic band, and it came with the wig cap. Alright, so this is how the wig looked. It came in this net with the little tissue paper on the inside of the wig. The wig did come semi pre-plucked, but of course I went back in and plucked some more. It came with four combs, 2 on the side, 1 in the middle, and 1 in the back. Well, like at the nape of the neck. And then this extra lace, of course, I'm gonna end up cutting it later on. But like the lace is like a HD transparent, so it's gonna like look really good against like your skin whenever you put the wig on. And y'all can kind of see how it was plucked a little bit, which was pretty good. But yeah, I went back and plucked some more. Alright, just to get started, I went ahead and put the wig on the mannequin head inside out, so I can go ahead and bleach the knots. And in the front, you can see about 1 inch space. That's how you can tell that it's been pre-plucked already. But I went back in and did some more. And y'all already know how I mix my bleach. I use about 2 cups. And I just pour as I go until I get the thickness that I want. And I just keep going until, you know, it's not falling, until it's thick enough for me to use. Because you don't want your bleach to be like too thin, because it's gonna seep through the lace and then it's gonna get on the hair, and then it's just gonna be a hot mess. So of course, y'all know I start from the middle because I like my middle parts, just to make sure I have enough of bleach. So I always start from the middle, and then I work my way on the outside, on the sides, and then I come back after I do that and bleach some of the lace itself in the front. And then I let it sit for like 15 or 20 minutes. But I just keep checking, because sometimes it do seep through the lace and it get on the hair, but all of that is fixable. But yeah, I just kept checking. So this is the final look. Some of the knots didn't bleach all the way, but it wasn't bad though. Most of them did. So I'm just parting some of the baby hairs out in the front, and then at the end, like when I got to plucking, I ended up plucking all those baby hairs out, because I was like, nah, I don't think I want it. I didn't think I wanted the look I was going for. I didn't think I wanted it to be that way. But this is just me like doing a close-up of how I pluck. I wanted to do like a kind of detailed video. Well, not detailed, but I really wanted to show y'all how I pluck my lace. And it's really easy, y'all. So I basically part the hair, and I pluck behind the hair. And then once I pluck behind the hair, I just keep making parts. I make about 3 parts, and I go about at least 1 inch into the hairline of being plucked. And I swear it's not me. It's not the hair, the wig looking baldish. Remember, the hair in the front is actually the baby hairs. And it's not midway. It's just the way I position the wig on the head so I can see better. And I was trying my best to get to put this in the camera so y'all can see, because I cannot pluck this hair on a mannequin head like why it's on a tripod, because I didn't broke my tripod trying to do that. That's why my mannequin head never stays. I was always taught, I learned just having a mannequin head, like just sitting in my lap and me just plucking it like that. Like I never did pluck it on the tripod. So this way it's just like a whole lot easier. Maybe one day I'll learn, but for now I'll just do it the way that I know. So this is how this side looks. This is how the middles look, and then you can compare it to this side. You see how blunt the other side look that's not plucked? So this is how it looked. You remember when I part that fronter? I said that frontal. Remember when I part the baby hairs in the front? So it still had like a harsh like blunt line. So I ended up just going back in and just plucking it out. Well, I pluck like some of it out because most of the time I push my hair back. Sometimes I have my baby hair, sometimes I don't. So I just end up plucking it all out. And now you can see like that line is really like going away in the front. As y'all can see, this side looks better than the other side. So this is how the final plucking end up coming out. I could have went back and plucked some more, but I didn't want to go too ham, and I didn't want it to be like me like being baldish in my lace, because if you pluck too much, like you can't put it back. So I didn't want to do too much. So I just let my hair end up over drying overnight after I end up plucking everything. But this is me just actually defining my middle part a little bit better. And y'all can see I still have like some black dots, but like once I put it on my head, like I didn't even see it. Like I don't know, but y'all can see as the part is getting wider. And I would have did a side part, but since it's a 13x6, you don't get that much parting space on the side. So like I was just really stuck with a middle part. So this is how much hair actually came out from me like plucking it. If y'all don't have that much hair, then honestly y'all didn't pluck it enough, because this is about the amount that should be coming out when you pluck your hair. But I let the hair dry overnight, and look how like I wanted to just put the wig on just like that, but I ended up flat ironing it. But it was so smooth, it was shiny, it was soft, like so far I'm in love with this hair. And I didn't put any products in the hair because I wanted to see, like, just from it drying like that, I wanted to see how it flat ironed like without product in it. And like I didn't made this video like a week ago. I done been having my hair in for a week, and honestly the flat iron is still kept up. Like I still didn't put anything in it, no type of heat protectant or anything, like no oils, no nothing, and it looks so good. And this is Atina hair, so I'm gonna have to leave her a good review, because I really like this hair so far. My poor mannequin head, like. I'm telling y'all, like, I broke it. I got a whole crack in it. That's why I just don't stay still. But all I'm doing is flat ironing the hair, so I'm gonna just let y'all watch it to the end.
Bro, she don't be acting right, y'all. You act like I'm hurting her or something. I'm trying to make you pretty. I'm trying to make you pretty, girl. Just keep still. You ain't try to fight me.
Y'all, I swear, don't think I'm crazy, but that tripod was really getting on my nerves. It really was getting on my nerves. I'm like, man, you shouldn't have talking to us. I was just talking out loud. I didn't answer myself. I was just talking out loud. But I really do need to invest in some a good tripod. Alright, y'all, so this is me actually finishing up. Like, the hair it came out so good, y'all. Like, it really did. But thank you guys for watching, and stay tuned for part 2.